Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto E6S and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings application and after that tap here to wallpaper to display section, then click to advanced and tap to wallpaper section. After that we can select our wallpaper from the photos or just the default wallpapers. Here let's see, we got here only one default wallpaper. Also we can use photos from our device gallery. If you want, for example, let's use this one, just click on the left upper corner to set and click to lock screen. Now just let's check it. So we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen and wallpaper on our Motorola device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.